Hi guys, and today we're going to be playing Tornado IO. You see, I already played this, so I already started playing this because of all the points I have. I won like 100 times already on this. My sister's not playing this time. I want to be the king.
Anderson, are you having pasta?
Yeah, of course I am.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's not about the pasta.
I know.
Anderson!
I know, it's not about the pasta.
Anderson!
Yeah.
It's not about the pasta.
I know.
Anderson!
I know.
Anderson?
I know, it's not about the pasta.
Can someone go find their sister?
She just ran in. And right now I'm making a video.
Anderson?
Yes.
Guess what?
This is the last time you're gonna tell me it's all about the pasta.
Anderson?
Yes. What?
It's not about the pasta.
I know it's not about the pasta. You keep on saying it repeatedly. Tornado IO is super fun. Size up 9. I went in second place. Continue.
Hi everybody,
No.
Guava Juice here. Today we're going to be reacting and recreating some TikTok video. I'm just letting you know I am on TikTok now, so if you don't have the TikTok app, download it and follow me right now on TikTok. My username is Guava Juice. And for y'all who don't know what TikTok is, let me tell you what it is. TikTok is a short form video platform. And in TikTok, their mission is to capture and present creativity, knowledge, and precious moments all through your mobile device.
House. Leaf Nado. This is a nice skin. Play. Dead stuff. Oh, I ran into the winning player bed. I just need to size up. Boom, chicken laka, I'm gonna suck you all up, yeah. Boom, chicken laka, I'm gonna suck you up, yeah. You can't stop me cause I'm so big, yeah. If you mess with me, you're gonna just get game over, yeah. Boom, 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 boom. I'm sucking up all the cars, all the buildings, no matter what. This is a busy city and great for sizing up. Plebs. I'm gonna suck all you guys up and you will regret coming toward me. Because I am the sucker upper. I should make that my name instead of player. Bum 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 bum. Oh, what? I can skip buildings now. Nobody can stop me. Nobody. Nobody can stop me now. I'm so big. You don't want to mess with me. I'll be the king forever and ever and ever. I told you I would be in fourth place. 40 points. Continue. Fourth place. Nice rain, girl.
I woke up today, I feel good, I feel good. See me smiling, cause I feel good.
Win 6. Let's do this, people. Jingle bells, you smell rotten maybe. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I'm helping you. I just need to suck up you, and I'll help you more. And you won't need those ridiculous machines anymore. You just need a tornado. And I'm king again. Size up. Nope, nope, nope. Hey, I'm gonna suck you guys up. You're using all my materials. And you should run away.
Okay,
Bye
everyone
bye.
put their phones up and eat.
I'm filming a video. Bum, 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 bum. Suck it up, everything. Everything in my pad. I'm gonna size up till I'm at 10. Size up to 11. Size up to 12. Size up to everything. Take you down. Down. Get you. I'm at max size. Yeah! Victory spin. No, I'm not doing the spin. Continue.
I woke up today, I feel good, I feel good. See me smiling, cause I feel
Boom, boom. Not going to say, let's do this. Boom, 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 boom. Get all of this. Get all of this. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom,
Good
boom.
girl.
Boom,
Come on.
boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Ugh, game over. Got sucked up.
Hey everybody, Guava Juice here. Today we're gonna be reacting and recreating some TikTok video. I'm just letting you know.
Bye bye. Size up 3. No, don't run into him. Oh, I wish I could take you out. If you want me to keep on playing IO games, just subscribe and put on notifications. And make sure to subscribe and put on notifications and check out EJ Craft Gaming. Boom, boom.
Follow me, come.
Oh, I'm the king right now. 'Cause nobody can stop me. I will suck you up, and you can't divine me. I will suck you up. False place. Sorry, guys. That's just all for today. So bye.